A Twin Cities dinner theater is home to an improv class that is changing lives.
Stevie Ray is the man behind the mission.
And he's been bringing laughter to Minnesota for decades.
But as photojournalist Tony Peterson shows us, one class is helping young people find their confidence and bravery through creativity.
We're in the Chanhassen Dinner Theater. It's one of the most famous theaters in the country. My goal is for you guys to get what you want in life, and the way to do that is to own yourself and stand up for yourself.
It's just something like I always wanted to do when I was younger, so like when I saw the opportunity, why not?
They're afraid of what everybody's afraid of, looking like a fool in front of their friends. All of you have some really unique talent. I really saw some sparks there. And that's what I like about improv. First of all, is the rule is that every idea is a good idea. You're going to work with it. You have to cooperate. When you step out here with me, you're safe, and whatever you express is right. And you're not going to be corrected.
It was my first time coming, so I really didn't know nothing like that, so I was a little bit nervous. But then once I got to know everything, I just boosted my confidence up. Making people laugh is certainly a joy, but if you can look at yourself in the mirror and say, all right, somebody's life is better because of what I did, that's the whole ball of wax. You have kids who've been told no their whole lives. That's what's tragic.
If we had more people that's being like, oh yeah, giving more confidence out in the world, or giving more confidence out to people, we would all be better people. We would all be chasing our dreams. We wouldn't have nothing putting us down. Mm-hmm. We need more people to lift each other up and not put each other down, you know?
The greatest part was seeing some of the kids who were hiding in the back of the room with the hoods pulled over step up and say, I want to try it. So I hope each kid takes with them that they're enough. They are enough for this world. And what they have to offer is enough, and it's good enough. Thanks, guys. Thanks. I have to know that I've done something that made a difference instead of just occupying time. And if they got something that they wouldn't have gotten before, that's my life is well lived.
You should never let people judge you for being yourself.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
It's good words to live by.
You know, an improv class will do wonders for really anyone.
I think
it puts you out there.
We as news people should try it too. We got to be on air all the time. All right, thanks for joining us here today on The 4.